Hey friends, I'm Aliana. In this video, I will show you how I completely transformed my home office from this to this. As a UI/UX designer, I spend my everyday designing for the digital world. I was so excited for this project that I even created a clear design brief and a Figma file so that I can improve my own user experience in my physical space. Ironically, just like my daytime job, nothing went as planned. But things turned out to be okay in its own way. Let's start from the decluttering process. I'm a firm believer that declutter is even more valuable than getting new stuff in a home transformation or life transformation process. And my original plan was that I will get rid of the stuff that I no longer need or I no longer use. And I also want to sell some of these so that I can get at least $50 to help with this home transformation process. But this ended up taking way longer than I thought, so I ended up donating all the things I don't need and I sold none of them. I felt so much lighter and so much more inspired after getting rid of most of the stuff. I also plan to rearrange my furniture before I get new stuff, so I used Figma to jot down 6 plans that I want to try and test. Did I really test 6 arrangements? Nope. Well, I tried 2 of them, which is already helpful. So here's the first arrangement. I actually quite like this arrangement. And I also realized that just by rearranging the things that I already own, already can bring a new feeling to the room. I really like this new workspace. However, placing the bed in this position doesn't provide me enough support at night. I feel like I can easily fall off the bed. Hello everyone, I got a special delivery from FlexiSpot and this is a desk bike. Let's assemble it and let's see how this works. It doesn't look too hard to assemble. I'll spread both left and right pedals until you hear the sound pop. Oh, pop! Okay. It's so cute. Oh, it's too low. Oh, whoever designed this is a genius. Let me show you this. First of all, you can bike while you are working and it has this thing so that it helps you to place your grip. And this desk can easily move forward and backward. This thing can go up and down, and then this thing can also go up and down. You see? It has different levels, so right now I'm at 6. You can also make it a bit simpler to like -1. Also, my grandmother was visiting me at the time when I recorded this, and she was particularly interested in this bike desk. She was using it every day. I chose FlexiSpot's standing desk and desk bike because it is durable, it is affordable, and it is also very beautiful. And most importantly, it keeps me moving and it makes my work more fun. I also tried out a few arrangements for my living room. So I really want this side of the living room to be for the desk bike. This arrangement didn't turn out well though. It felt a bit weird facing this direction, and I also don't play piano very often with this arrangement, and I don't use this whiteboard often either. Also, you can see that my plants are dying. So here comes another iteration of design. I'm trying a new arrangement by placing the bed closer to the wall so that I can have some support at night. And I'm also placing the desk right beside the window so that it made me want to go out more often and go exploring the nature more often. I also brought in my piano to this room so that I can feel more private playing alone at night, and it's just closer to my desk so I can see it all the time and I have more nudge to playing. After testing this layout for a few days, I realized it performs way better than the previous one. I felt better working here. I also felt better sleeping at night, so I've decided to use this layout. I'm And for the living room, I moved the things around a little bit. I also brought in a shelf from another area. In this way, I can have a printer section plus a plants section. This layout also made me use the desk bag way more often. For part of this office makeover project, I also want to build a vision board for myself and set it up as a wallpaper. And my first iteration is just a hell mess. So I did another iteration, cleaned things up a little bit. It still looks a little bit messy, but I'm fine with it. Beyond that, I also decided to print off some of these pictures that I envision and manifest toward, and then just hung it to my wall, because who doesn't want to sleep under your dream? Under my original plan, I didn't plan to buy new stuff until I have most of the things decluttered, set up, and arranged. And nothing went as planned, as I said before. So I actually bought some stuff that you've already saw in this video, because this video is not chronological. And here's the first item I got from IKEA. This works as a shelf. It also works as an extension to my desk and my bedside table. Next item is my absolute favorite pumpkin from Kasama Yayoi. Many years ago, I went to a Japanese island and I saw this pumpkin in real life, and at that moment, I felt like I met another version of myself. Just by having this new small pumpkin on my desk, it inspires me all the time and it brings me so much joy. I also got myself a new vase to place beautiful flowers in it. Right now you probably can't see how beautiful this flower is because of the lighting, but it is so pretty, and again it also brings me so much joy. I also got this thing that can help to hang the plants on the ceiling. I heard this makes you more productive and creative by having plants in your environment, so I love it. Hi! Guess what? I just got the last delivery piece for this project. This is the moment. Let me show you what this is. Oh, there's more tape over here. It's my name! My YouTube channel name. Please don't break. Oh wow! Look! This is a thumbnail moment. So cool. So this is good. This will be the setup for my future talking videos. Ooh, I'm happy.